Alright, so the electricity installation is now complete, and this is going to be the final video in installing hydro in Quebec. So I'll just kind of go over some of the costs involved here, and drastically improved the campsite here. So we now have my new, well, not new, but
new to you,
new to me, motorhome here. And in that place was the two old trailers that I had. So we'll start over at the pole. Let's take you over here to the pole. So the installation of the pole itself, as well as the panel. So the pole and the panel was approximately $3,200 with tax. So what that covered was, this is all Canadian dollars. So basically what that covers is the pole itself, the installation of the pole, the box, and the cable that goes to the out to the road there where the hydro comes in. So it's $3,200 for that, and then and underneath here is a whole big panel. It's covered by a by this chipboard here, but there's a big 200 amp panel, a few breakers, a few outlets in there right now. So after that was installed, the Quebec Hydro has to come and install the meter, and that charge there is an extra $364, I believe. Once they put that in, then you actually have your hydro hooked up. All of this here, the conduit on both sides, myself and my dad, we did that together, and my mom. So that comes underground. This part of the installation was done by me, my dad, and my mom. So it comes out from the panel here, goes underground, and of course you see all the rocks here. It was really quite taxing to dig this trench. Comes over here and comes underneath up into the building through a conduit there. And I wired the whole building, put outlets in there. There's an outlet on the I put an outlet on the front of the building, and the whole inside is wired up, but it's kind of a mess in here right now, but this whole building is going to get finished now, and I've got outlets installed in here. We're going to put a light on the outside of this building, as well as a few other things. I'm going to make this into a workshop. This is going to be the workshop. This is from the previous owner. This is on just a plug. So this used to be on a generator. But okay, so that's that. So I can actually finish that building now. Comes along here. Really quite difficult digging that. We dug it all by hand, so it's pretty tricky. The trench comes underground here, and comes up out of the ground to this post here, and this is the post for my motorhome. It's a really nice little setup here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So we're now able to do things like run the microwave and a heater, and you can pretty much do whatever you want now. And in the RV, it's a 30 amp, 40 amp. I can't remember if it's 30 or 40 amp breaker, but anyways, that concludes the hydro installation. all the parts that you see coming from the pole to here, that was an extra about $500. So it's it's 3,200 plus the hookup fees, so 364. So that's 35.64, and then another $500 in parts to get from here back to here. So you're looking at about $4 grand, a little over $4 grand. I don't know if I did that math properly, but yeah. So anyways, that's all I would like to say about that. If you have any more questions about this whole process, and it has been a process, pretty much took all summer. No, I just swallowed a mosquito or something there. God damn. Oh. Okay, anyways, sorry about that. Anyways. Oh. Okay. Anyways. If you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up. And you have any questions about this whole process, leave a question in the comments. And right now, we're going to go in my motorhome and we're going to enjoy this thing for the first time after all this work. Selling the trailers, getting this here. That was another whole nightmare.
Oh God. The flashbacks.
Yeah. So anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the information. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments section, and I'll do my best to answer any questions about installing hydro in Quebec. You Ottawa Scotty out. Keep it classy. Zoe, come on. The exercise is full of hot dogs.